What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. Let me see if I can do this differently. Try like this. There we go, yeah. Just got 4 tubs right now. Got babies in the top 2. Haven't seen you guys in a minute. What's up? Let's go. Gotta feed some snakes. And we'll let him figure that out. Moving on to the next one. See what Marco does. Right away. Down. Knew he was hungry. So Sunday can't find it. Gonna skip Emmett because he's right here. And we'll go Zelda. She's in shed, she might not take it. Let's see. Took that fast. And then old Emmett here. Small one for him. That's just like the cleaning tub. I don't have snakes on the bottom anymore. And he's trying to find it. He's trying to find it. Had one of my dogs pass away, Jasmine. Very sad. Part of owning dogs, though. Sometimes they just get old on you and they don't make it. Well, we'll let him find it. I don't think Zelda's gonna eat, which is interesting, but she's pretty dark. She's deep in shed, so I'm surprised he hasn't found it yet. Interesting, but yeah, quick little video there. Just wanted to say what's up. Charlie says what's up. Just Charlie and Norman now, so rest in peace, Jazz. We're gonna miss you.